Hey everyone, my name is JT Austin. I'm the technology manager for home entertainment with Sony Electronics. And behind me I have a really cool idea. This is the Leon Studio Frame. Now, there are a lot of lifestyle TVs on the market that really focus on lifestyle and art first and picture quality second. But we at Sony, we are filmmakers ourselves. We work with all different studios around the world. So we want to make sure every single TV we put out there has the creator's intent delivered. The clarity, the color, the contrast, the motion. This space is my favorite space in the booth. This is our premium media room concept. This is for that ultra luxury theater build. So starting off around the room, which notice to my left, your right, are liquid view displays. Now, we're in the middle of a convention center in Denver, and I'm looking over the west coast of the Pacific. We work with this partner. They would go out and record over 24 hours of high-quality footage on Sony cinema cameras, so you can really transport yourself to anywhere in the world. You can sync it to your time zone, so when the sun's setting outside, the sun is setting here as well. So great for interior rooms, media rooms, or maybe you just don't like to view out your own windows. You can really roll in with this. Behind me is the star of the show. This is a 193-inch Sony Crystal LED. This is a modular display system, really pushing out in terms of absolute clarity, color, and contrast. Now, what's great about this technology is it's modular. So right now we have it built up at 193 inches, 16:9 aspect ratio. But because of its modularity, you can go bigger, you can go smaller, you can go 21:9 widescreen if you like watching your movie content. And what's great about it too is that Hollywood connection. If you've heard of virtual production before, that's the art of using LED walls instead of blue screens or green screens. We actually make a version of this technology for those studios around the world. So if they're using it in there to make their movies, what better technology than there is to watch your movies? So for that ultra luxury theater, I really don't see any better solution than what's behind me right now.